We're doing a booga booga PvP vid. And this guy with the shark is chasing us, so it's kind of annoying. So what we can do is that. How did in the fart did he do that? Bro, how is he doing this? I can with this. I think he had a typo. He had a typo for sure. Oh. Yeah, kill him. Oh, he logged. Too bad, too sad. XD logged. So, we're gonna find a new vid. No, not a new vid. We're gonna find a new god. Okay. Okay, we found a god. We found a god. We found a god. We found a god right here, right here, right here. Kill him. Okay, okay. So, okay. Finally, someone who doesn't phase through walls like somehow. Bro, already? Oh shoot. Oh, I spawned right near it. So it's fine. Shoot, this is bad. Oh, my friend's winning. Gotta heal up, gotta heal up, gotta heal up. Okay, shoot. Gotta do this fast, gotta do this fast. I gotta loot and then I can help him. I'll take on this guy for now. Okay, I'm back. Shoot. No. Okay, I'm back. Raid him. Okay. If we stay together, they can't do anything to us. Yeah, keep putting us. See what that will happen. See what happens if you keep putting us. See what will happen if you keep putting us. Oh, another god. One more god with chest plate. Oh my god, with chest plate. No, he's trying to break a totem. New tribe. Okay, watch this. Stop running. It's super unfair, but just stop running. Shoot. How? I shield! Bro, this is not making any sense. Wait. Yeah, I pushed shield. Why is it not working? Oh, this is a failing video. Oh, too bad. It's okay. Gotta keep resetting. Okay. Wait, I gotta go for 1 second. Okay, I'm back. Oh, he died. Nice. Dang, my friend is a lot better than me. I'm not gonna lie, he's a lot better than me. Man. We had 3 god fights, and in these 3 times, he carried me. So, a lot of credit to him. Well, his KD is a lot better than me. His KD is a lot better than mine. If you look at his KD, where's his KD? My KD is not bad. This is his KD, and this is my KD. My KD is not that bad. I have more kills, but he has a lot more less deaths. he has 107 deaths and like 300 kills. And me with 547 kills and 438 deaths. I need to get better at this game. Wait, where is he? Wait, where's my friend? Oh, I thought he won. Dang, this is bad. This is bad. My friend never dies. Okay. It's time for me to save the day now, instead of him saving the day. It's like Naruto, but when he tries to save the day. And then he's like Sasuke or something. Like, I always try, but, I always just fail. It's like Naruto. It's exactly like Naruto. Okay, shoot. Okay, what do I need? I need ice. I used all my ice in these fights. Okay. That's so hard. I have to help at least a bit. I have to help a bit. Take it. Shoot, the guy from the back took some too. Aw. I only have like 5 hits on him. No! Yeah, shield, and my friend doesn't. Wait, I'm waiting for chat. Did he win? This is bad. Shoot. Oh, holy! I don't want to fight that fight. He's alive! Dang, how's he still alive? My friend is so good at this game. I play this game a lot more than he does. Yeah, I play this game a lot more than he does. I play this game a lot more than he does, and he's still better than me. Oh, let's go. I'm gonna snatch some gold. Kill that one. Wait. Shoot, okay. Swipe. This is what you always do, Jacob. You have to swipe. This is what you always do, Jacob. Swipe. Just swipe it off. Swipe. Never give up. Shoot. Gotta get some armor. Shoot. Armor up. You have some gear now. Power through this. Power through this like that last video. Even though I died like 5 billion times, power through it. Don't stop, Jacob. Don't stop, Jacob. Don't stop. Shoot. Let's go. What the heck? I'm beasting. I'm a beast right now. I'm God mode. God mode. Jacob has been activated. Shoot. Okay, mom. There's like an insect to an ant. Like a microscopic insect to an ant. There's an ant. Wait, did my friend leave? Shoot. He left. He's probably in a intense battle. It's smarter to get the God Halo. Because if you get the God Halo, I already have a not bad chest plate. So if you get the God Halo, you can do this. Okay. PvP God mode has been activated. Shoot. Heal. You gotta heal. You've been training for this. You've been training for this for a day, Jacob. You can't lose this. You can't lose to these dumb gods. You're much better than this, Jacob. You're much better. Shoot, grab this egg. Yes, this egg will be very useful. How am I still alive? I'm going beast. I'm a beast. Jacob, remember this, you're a beast. Jacob, remember this, you're a beast. Nothing can stop a beast. Jacob, nothing can stop a beast. Nothing can stop a beast. Okay, I think my clicks are fast enough. I think my clicks are fast enough. I'm a beast mode. I'm in beast mode. Okay. I'm still powering through. You are much stronger than these noobs. You're much stronger than these noobs, Jacob. Remember that. Yes! Oh my god! Shit. Beast mode Jacob has been activated. I'm beast mode. Can I craft anything? I need gold. I think we've achieved something very rare. Killing a god with this armor. I think we're beasts now. I'm a beast now. I feel like I've entered God mode, and I can't be defeated. So I'm going to take on these two gods at once. Because I'm definitely going to die, but it's for the content. Okay, bye-bye.